Hello, good evening. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm wearing my natural hair. I'm going to do Chit related to makeup, beauty, fashion. Without further ado, let's get started with this video. If you like this kind of content, do give it a big thumbs up, like, comment and share. Let me know what you like to see on my channel. Guys, next I'm going to apply my favorite lipsticks from Kiko Milano. So I'd like to start off with this red one. This is how it is. I've already applied my eyeliner and mascara, so you can tell it's very pigmented. Next I'm going to apply this. So I'm going to share with you the application. So what I do is good. So this is not 2 minutes. This is not a 2 minutes makeup. This is like good half an hour makeup. Next I'm going to make sure my lip looks better and add some lip gloss from the brand Kiko Milano. So guys, I've changed my outfit. I'm wearing this lovely cut suit. So I'm a big fan of Kiko Milano. I do encourage you guys to use Kiko Milano for your makeup because Kiko Milano is very good. It's very soothing and great for dark skin models. So if you have been watching my videos, you must have seen me use Kiko Milano items. So check out my website ekenepatience.org. You'll find the links below to navigate and find out more about Kiko Milano. You can also use Dior lipstick. You also have other brands you may try out. Easy Paris, Douglas are great shop for shopping for makeup. So Douglas is very popular. You have Douglas in Amsterdam, Rotterdam, so many other cities. So Douglas is also present in Rotterdam supply shopping mall. So I also use this lipstick that comes with lip gloss on my lip. So to add some shine, I added the lip gloss. I don't know if you guys can see me properly. So this is actually the finished result. It's very pretty and I like it. So I have just finished creating this evening look. So if you have a date, you can wear this beautiful makeup look. I'm also wearing my natural hair. So I thought, why not share with you the items I use. So I use Morphe foundation. I use eyeshadow from Morphe. I'm wearing Kiko Milano lipstick. Guys, my favorite makeup brands are from Dior. So if you have been watching my channel, you must have seen me with foundation from Dior. I like Dior foundation. I also like lipstick from Dior. So I have used Dior several times on this channel. Where can you buy Dior products? You can buy it online directly from Dior shop on Dior.com. Dior shop from Dior. Alright, so one of my favorite lipstick, I've mentioned it already, Dior. I also like Kiko Milano. I'm wearing Kiko Milano lipstick now. So whenever I'm buoyant, I wear Dior lipstick. Okay. One of my favorite perfumes, Dior. I love Dior perfumes. I also like Chanel perfume. I like Givenchy, Gucci, Prada. Okay. One of my fashion fashion brands that I like fashion brands from Chanel. I've never used Chanel dress before, but I've used Chanel perfume. So I like Chanel. I like Ted Baker. I'm wearing a Ted Baker dress. So if you have been watching my videos, you must have seen me wear this dress on my channel. So like the Baker dress very much. I love the fitting. It's perfect. See, it looks good. Why do I like the Baker dresses? Why should you guys buy the Baker dresses? You can see why. It's because the Baker dresses are very durable. This dress I have almost for 5 years now and it still looks good. The quality is still there. So I was gifted these dresses, okay? So you can buy the Baker online and they can ship to your home. The Baker is a British brand. The Baker also has male outfits. So on my channel, Black Not That's Me, on my website for photographers, models that like to wear outfits that are nice and trendy. Men, you can buy the Baker dresses for your wife. You can also buy the Baker outfit for yourself. The Baker has shoes for men, have blazers for men, and they're not so expensive. You can even find a blazer for 200 euro from the brand the Baker as a man. You understand? You can even shop from the Baker as a man. You know, buy male things. You can also shop casual outfits from Boohoo. I like Boohoo very much. I've been wearing Boohoo outfits for a very long time and they're very durable. So the Baker, Boohoo are great brands. So in the Netherlands, you can shop for Zara outfits. You can shop for outfits from, you know, We Fashion. You can shop for outfits from Sienna. You can shop for outfits from Givenchy, Hugo Boss. So Hugo Boss is a very good brand. Hugo Boss is present in the Netherlands, Belgium and other countries. So you can shop online or you can shop from their outlets. So Hugo Boss has shop in Rotterdam. So at Rotterdam, very close to the central station, you can shop for Hugo Boss items. I'm promoting Hugo Boss on the topic of my website, Ekene Patience. Hi guys, good evening, welcome. Today I'm wearing this lovely Baker dress. So I'm going to share with you items I use for my makeup. I use this Morphe eyeshadow. Very pretty. Also apply my Kiko Milano lipstick. So I'm going to share with you how I applied it on my lip. So first off, you apply it like this. You reduce the quantity. This is how you apply Kiko Milano lipstick. Okay, and next you take the lip gloss. And you reduce the quantity, and then you apply it like this. Looks perfect, right? So this is Morphe eyeshadow. I also have another pretty eyeshadow from Urban Decay. So I'm also going to show you my current favorite lipstick and foundation. So this is my current favorite foundation from Morphe. So this is how it looks like. It's the packaging. It's a good foundation. Next, this is my current favorite perfume from Miss Dior. So I like wearing perfume from Miss Dior. So all you have to do is apply it here, there, 2 punch is more than enough here. And here, alright, not much. So I'm going to demonstrate it. Here and here. And that's it. It's good, it's really good. It's a good perfume. You close it properly. I love these stockings. Looks so great. So today I'm going to do chit chat related to makeup, beauty, fashion. So I'm going to share with you my makeup look. So this is how my makeup looks like. Wearing my natural hair. So I love this necklace very much. So my auntie's daughter, she makes very pretty jewelries. If you guys are interested, you can contact me. So now I'm going to talk about the shit related to makeup, my favorite makeup brands, and more. So to make sure that my outfit looks cute, lovely, and feminine, I'm wearing this African print. So I'm just going to add this African touch to it. So Ify Lagos, Nigeria designs jewelry. So Ify is my cousin. She makes very lovely jewelry. So this is what I'm going to wear. I'm going to have breakfast. This is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this lovely top and trousers. So It's morning hours. I'm going to have my breakfast. So I'm just going to apply like 2 minutes makeup glue. I'm going to start applying my Mystia perfume. I just apply a little bit of quantity here so that I smell really good. Next, I'm going to apply my Morphe foundation on my face. So I like to use my hand. I've washed my hand by myself properly. I just add a little quantity here, just teeny tiny quantity, just to make sure that my face looks good. So I'm going to sing the theme song for today. Enjoy. Darling, who is your baby? Darling, who is your daddy? Who is your daddy? I want to see your daddy. Who's your mommy? Who's your mommy? I want to see your mommy. Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? I want to see your daddy. So, guys, I'm going to apply my lipstick for Kiko Milano. So I like Kiko Milano products. I've applied this red one, a little quantity, this one. So next I'm going to apply this other one. Just reduce the quantity like this. So it will not smudge. So it looks good. Next I'm just going to apply the lip gloss because I'm just going to have breakfast. I'm wearing 2 minutes makeup look. I don't want to look too shout here. So where is this one coming from? This party girl, this early morning party. So this is my 2 minutes makeup look foundation. Teeny tiny quantity of powder and lipstick. Not bad. My natural hair. So let's go have breakfast, shall we? Guys, I've changed my outfit. I'm wearing this lovely dress, lovely black stockings. So I'm going to wear my scarf. This is the fitting of this dress. It's very, very beautiful. I'm just going to wear my scarf on my natural hair. So this is how I wear my scarf. Because whenever I wash my weave, I tend to wear my scarf. And so that's, it's important to make sure your weave is properly dry before you put it on. So now I'm wearing my scarf. I'm happy. This is my face. I do not have any makeup on. This is the fitting of this lovely dress.